Hey gorgeous! In today's quick hair tutorial I'm going to show you 3 easy ways to style your human hair topper. These are my favorite simple options for styling my MONOT human hair topper by New Times Hair. This topper has a large handmade monofilament base that allows me to part it freely anywhere I want. I made a review of this beautiful piece previously, so you can check its pros and cons by clicking the link in the top right corner. Let's start with the simplest option. When I want to create an off-the-face look, I just clip the hair away from my face with some clips. However, I like to keep 2 free strands framing the face. I think it gives a more natural look. The next option is very practical, a ponytail. I love using a cute scrunchie to give this simple look more elegance. With this hair topper, I can achieve both low and high ponytails. Finally, the last option I use is an easy bouncy blowout using my BaByliss Pro thermal hair rollers. But if you don't have them, no worries, you can do the same with regular velcro rollers. I love to curl only part of the hair around my face to create an everyday style that does not look overdone. I section my hair into 3 parts around my hairline, in the middle of the forehead and on the sides. Then I curl my hair on the hot rollers away from the face, using the biggest diameter to create big bouncy waves. I give them around 15 minutes to cool down on my hair. Then I take them off. The Remy human hair responds like a dream, holding each curl with a gentle resilience. What I love about this look is that it does not look overdone and is quick and simple to create. Thanks for watching. Tell me what you think in the comments, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!